every Can you go higher and lower? Dude, look, it's a good.
So today is what, November 16th? 16. Hey, November 6th. No, not November. December 16th. Oh my gosh, this is I'm packing my bags 25 years ago in the former USSR going to US. Yes. December 19th is the first day. What? No, December 19th is when December 18th. What the heck? I stepped my foot on American soil.
What year?
1992.
92. What made you do that?
My parents brought me, so I didn't have much choice. I actually was against it, and I told them I'm gonna stay. But guess what? I'm happy I'm here. So 25 years in America. USA, USA. I'm proud to be an American. I'm naturalized. I'm a naturalized citizen. And we're having an excellent time at a lake. Guy. Electric motors only. That was a bad idea of whoever tried to break ice with their Jeep. I don't know.
Yeah, there wasn't an electric motor in the front of that Jeep.
Yeah, but here to give you an idea. No, this is a joke. We were just busting up the snow here. I mean the ice here, just to see how thick it is. And that's a nice chunk of ice right there. Not to give you any stupid ideas of driving over this snow or ice, but I bet you could actually have your vehicle over this and probably not sink in. But then again, Nikson Overland, whatever people are calling me now, I do not suggest you drive your vehicle over the ice because you will sink it. And you'll just feel bad, and you'll have to call me and complain to me and have me rescue or something, and I don't want to do that. So, it snowed and it's perfect. Guy, what do you think? Was it a good weekend? I mean, is.
You're not admitting to nothing in that hole, are you?
No,
okay.
No. I'm not admitting the fact that I drove up there and it was so icy that I ended up just sliding in there. But yeah, on a clear day, this is an excellent view, for sure. So maybe we'll hike up to the tower and see if something better.
December 16, Elk Lake. And look at the beautiful morning. We got some new fresh snow that came down last night. This is kind of our camp. There's the Elk Lake right there. I got Nikson over there.
You know what I mean, Bobby? Keeps it warm. Yeah, that's Sasha.
Доброе утро. This is our camp. How you doing, Nate?
Okay.
There's our tent. We got Peter cooking the breakfast. They got Billy right there. How you doing, brother?
Hey, you're doing really good.
Then we got our main kitchen set up right there. There's Mike. Elk Lake. Morning. Saturday morning. Beautiful. Guys fishing. I mean, look at that. This is what,
How about that?
this is what we're cooking this morning. I got some steak tips. Shameless plug. Some bacon. Where's your gloves, Nate? Go get him.
So this is Mike. Take two.
Mike.
Mike, he's from
Anapa.
Motherland. From Motherland.
Anapa,
He's
да.
a brother from another mother.
Yeah.
Anapa Jeeping. Ты фоловишь их?
Да.
О, Анапа Jeeping. Вот человек с Анапы.
Юра, кажется, его зовут.
Вот,
Да,
вот.
в Анапе буду летом, надо будет встретиться.
Во.
Уазинг, не джипинг, а уазинг, правильно
Ну,
сказать.
Jeeping,
Да,
Уазинг.
малую таишь там и это.
So, Anapa Jeeping, if you're not following them on Instagram, check them out. Anapa, A-N-A-P. Jeeping. Anapa Jeeping.
Yep.
Yes. So we're on top of a lake, and it's Christmas time.
Yeah.
Vladimir, what do you say? Beautiful?
Oh, it's a beautiful time.
And actually, blue
very
sky is
nice.
up top. Look at that. It's clear.
So
now.
next week's Christmas, and we got a lot of good time.
This is beautiful.
Right there.
Beautiful.
Yeah, on this
Nice
weekend.
weather right now. It's
Очень классно. Очень классно.
Ребята, кто жалуется, что мы говорим по-английски, учите английский уже. Пора уже. Пора уже
А
привыкнуть.
зачем в
нам
Америке
повезло.
английский? Тут все русские. Вот
Нет,
зачем в
тут
Америке
все
английский?
свои украинские братья.
Ну да. Вот приехал один с Украины. Короче, там к моему знакомому. Он приехал, ну
Шикарно.
мы там в баньку, то все. Говорит, блин, был в Америке, говорит,
Ты хочешь
ни
на
с кем
YouTube
по-английски
это
не
попал?
разговаривал.
О, видишь как? Ни с кем по-английски не разговариваю в Америке.
Я сейчас сделал панораму полностью озера.
Beautiful.
Получилось нехило. 6x6 platform.
Going up to the tower. I think Eric would agree it's a workout.
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Eric said he's not a young guy, but I have to say that none of us are young anymore. The youngest we got is the right there, Gil in the white, and John is probably the youngest out of here. Oh, Tyler, how old are you? 28. Yeah, so you're an old fart now. Woo!
Lucy here probably looks the oldest.
Lucy, you liking it? Heck of fun. Woo! Pardon me, I'm out of breath a little. Jeff's supposed to be right there somewhere. And we're at the Gold View Tower, or lookout. And my cell phone kicks in all the... Eric Swanson, I'm in Detroit, headed your way, Elk Lake. Text coming in.
Oh, I want to see the text coming in. Oh, wow, it's good service up here.
Hey, don't sit on your butt. You get ill.
I shouldn't.
Yeah, stand it up for a little bit, walk it off.
It's snowing here. It's
Eric.
below freezing for sure.
Alive? Well?
Yeah, we're doing a little bit of ice fishing.
Tyler is very humble, just quiet. Alex is picturing.
We're gonna be back in town tomorrow.
Bill can't just let his business go. He's gotta talk and talk.
Yeah, absolutely.
And we're not gonna
Alright,
invade
I'm
the
gonna call
privacy
my
of these
wife.
locks.
Yep,
We'll
have a
be
good one, man.
good
Good luck.
citizens.
Bye. Man, that service is.
Partially Jefferson picking up right there.
Would someone like some water? Why don't we?
I'll have a sip in a second. I'll have a sip in a second of water. Here, Vanessa.
One of us make a
Go. Somebody's offering. Blue skies are peaking. We're gonna start hiking back. Time to head home. So, Sunday morning. Had a little bit of rain. Дождичка немножко было в воскресенье вот ночью. В субботу ночью. And now it's getting warm. И сейчас теплеет. Okay. Checking out the water on top of the lake. See how that goes. Back and look in the camp. Aaron got nice setup going with firewood. Must be warm. These guys are bored out there. Morning. Lots of people been walking around.